Are you looking for top-notch reverse engineering services in Jaewar, Noida, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. With their expertise and dedication, they are the go-to company for all your reverse engineering needs. Whether you need to analyze and understand an existing product or recreate it from scratch, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has the skills and technology to deliver exceptional results. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other companies offering reverse engineering services is their commitment to excellence. They understand that every project is unique and requires a tailored approach. With their team of highly skilled engineers and state-of-the-art equipment, they can handle even the most complex and challenging projects with ease. From concept development to CAD modeling and prototyping, they have the expertise to bring your ideas to life. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd for reverse engineering services is their extensive experience in the industry. With years of experience under their belt, they have successfully completed numerous projects for clients across various sectors. Their deep understanding of different industries allows them to provide customized solutions that meet the specific needs of each client. Another reason to choose Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is their commitment to delivering projects on time and within budget. They understand the importance of meeting deadlines and strive to exceed client expectations in every project they undertake. With their efficient processes and streamlined workflow, they ensure that your project is completed on schedule, without compromising on quality. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services? Look no further. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to provide you with the best solutions in Jaewar, Noida, Delhi, NCR. With our expertise in reverse engineering, we can help you analyze, modify, or replicate existing products or components with utmost precision and efficiency. Our team of skilled engineers is dedicated to delivering exceptional results that meet your specific requirements. Whether you need to recreate a part that is no longer available or improve the performance of an existing product, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. When it comes to reverse engineering services, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd stands out from the crowd. We pride ourselves on our state-of-the-art technology and cutting-edge methodologies that enable us to deliver accurate and reliable results. Our team utilizes advanced scanning equipment and software to capture precise measurements and create detailed 3D models of the desired object. This allows us to understand the intricacies of the original design and make necessary modifications or improvements as per your specifications. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we understand the importance of time and cost efficiency. That's why our reverse